Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm telling about the Germany city München. München is famous for its historical culture and vibrant environment. Famous company is BMW. It is founded in 1916 and German worker life is easy. He earned starting 4,000 euros per month, but if they heavy cost in monthly like rent including rent and food, insurance and travels. So he almost uses half salary monthly because München is high budget city and famous for its central square, old town and new town and church. So that life is very clear and vibrant. And but it is very costly compared to other Germany cities. It was very vibrant. They celebrate his festival in annually like theaters, museum, like this. Thank you for paying attention to me.